gain. The money took away your innocence, and greed became your guidance. All for one and none for all. Your time will come and your castle will fall. What I wouldn't give to have you back. Your future was so bright and now turned black. Who can you sell to save your soul? When your city's fucking drowning in black gold. No questions asked, and no need to explain. No use for critics when you all think the same. We'll help ourselves and the rest can all burn. We see a laugh when the tables are turned. Everyone dies and your well will dry out. And then you see what respect is about. And pray the world will forgive your faults, and show your mercy when the castle is falls. What I wouldn't give to have you back. Your future was so bright and now turned black. Who can you sell to save your soul? When your city's fucking drowning in black gold.
When you see so few haves and so many have-nots, when you see the greed and the concentration of power with it, did you ever have a moment of doubt about capitalism?
Show me the road. You will let this fucking train. You will stop that cry again. You can earn back to reply. Integrity, wisdom for friends. Justice for we want you all. The earth, it must be done. For your friends are all this good. Lost your nothing. Show me the road. You will let this fucking train. You will stop that cry again.